Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tips. Today, we're tackling a super common task, converting a Word document to a PDF on your Mac. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. If you find this helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Mac tips and tricks. In this video, we'll walk through 3 different ways to convert your Word document to PDF on a Mac. We'll cover the built-in methods and an online option, so you have the best solution for you. Let's get started. Transition. Show screen recording of Word document. Okay, so the first and probably simplest method is using Microsoft Word itself. Open your Word document that you want to convert. Now go to File in the menu bar at the top. Highlight/zoom in on the File menu. Click on File, and then select Save As. Highlight/zoom in on the Save As option, ****. In the Save As window, you'll see a drop-down menu next to File Format. Click on it. Highlight/zoom in on the File Format drop-down menu. Scroll down the list and choose PDF. Highlight PDF in the drop-down list. Now you can rename your file if you want, and most importantly, choose where you want to save it. Once you're happy, click Save. Highlight the Save button. And just like that, your Word document is now a PDF. Easy, right? Transition. Show screen recording of using Preview. Next up, let's use Preview, which comes pre-installed on every Mac. Again, open your Word document. This time go to File in the menu bar, but this time select Print. Highlight/zoom in on the File menu, then Print. In the Print dialog box, look for the PDF drop-down menu in the bottom left corner. Highlight the PDF drop-down menu in the bottom left corner. Click on it, and you'll see several options. Select Save as PDF. Highlight Save as PDF. Just like before, you'll be prompted to name the file and choose where to save it. Hit Save, and you've got another PDF version of your Word document. Highlight the Save button. Transition. Show screen recording of Online Converter. Finally, let's look at an online converter. If you don't have Word installed or just prefer an online solution, there are plenty of websites that can help. A popular option is ilovepdf.com. Type ilovepdf.com into the browser and go to the website. Go to ilovepdf.com. Find the Word to PDF tool. Highlight the Word to PDF tool. Click on it and upload your Word document from your computer. Show how to upload a file. Once uploaded, click the Convert to PDF button. Highlight the Convert to PDF button. The site will process your document, and then you can download your newly created PDF. Show the download process. Just remember to be cautious when using online converters and avoid uploading sensitive documents to unknown websites. Transition back to camera. So there you have it, 3 simple ways to convert your Word document to PDF on a Mac. Whether you prefer using Word itself, Preview, or an online tool, you now have options to suit your needs. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Rome Tips for more awesome Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.